Today is Scarlet's tips, style tips for the every person. Scarlet has taught us a few tricks when it comes to organizing and caring for our clothes and accessories, as well as how to build a professional wardrobe that makes sense for our lifestyle. I know you all think about home improvement all the time, but have you thought about how to step it up a notch in the fashion department? Scarlet's joining us to elaborate. This is Fashion Tips with Scarlet. Tip 1, invest in the best you can afford.
Invest in one signature piece each season. Just like your home, quality makes a big difference and is usually a more sustainable choice. Categories worth splurging on are a pair of handmade leather shoes, a densely woven cashmere sweater, or a tailored wool suit, slim fitting, that you can mix and match as separates.
Tip 2, mix high and low.
Too often I see people treat the more expensive things as precious, leaving them to gather dust in the closet. Don't be afraid to wear those quality items you splurged on. Mix them with low, which means less expensive or mass-produced. For example, always have a pack of white t-shirts to pull from. They don't have to be expensive, but a fresh white t-shirt always looks smart next to a tailored pant and sneaks. Wick invested in this really nice wool blazer, and it's paired with a Prana shirt he got half off at the Columbia Outlet store. He's got some great dark denim, no brand necessarily, right? But they look really sharp, and some Vince suede sneaks. Spendy, but Caroline got him at last chance. This blend achieves the look of effortless style.
Tip 3, play with pattern and texture.
A little bit of pattern, think wallpaper in your house, or texture, think rugs or pillows, can go a long way in your wardrobe or in your home. If you are a new to pattern person, pick something monochromatic in a color palette you are already comfortable with, like dark gray houndstooth, for example. If you are averse to pattern altogether but want to mix it up, try a new texture like suede, angora, velvet, or corduroy. So we've got Wick in some texture and a color palette he's familiar with. His classic beanie in this goldenrod with his puffer jacket that's keeping him nice and toasty over the green wool sweater, the cardigan, a simple gray t-shirt, and he's got more green on the bottom that's textured, if you can see it, black and gray inside the kind of tweed fabric. And then he's got on his feet some really cute brogues. So this is a great example of how to make your look textural without being too flashy. Take a look at your industry. Is everyone dressing a certain way? Use these tips to step it up a notch. Stand out in a sea of black and you'll get noticed. More importantly, you get dressed every single day, so have some fun with it. Thanks so much, Wick and Ashley Realty Works, for letting me come on and give some tips to your peeps.